Good morning, grade ones. Welcome to another lesson. This morning we're having a lesson for mathematics and science, and we're looking at the mathematics aspect, and we're looking at numbers. We are continuing from our lesson from yesterday, and we're looking at numbers, all right? I can see people, they're already busy, they're already writing. There's the date, in case you need help there, but others, they seem to be ready. They are writing. Pearl, there's the date. Today's Thursday, 28 January. Let's write that. Let's take that one down. Okay, praise. Today's Thursday, 28 January 2021, and tomorrow it's a Friday. Yesterday was a Wednesday. We must know the days of the week and how to spell them, all right? So let's start there quickly. Let's quickly take the word Thursday down. Praise. Let's try and copy it faster. As you look at the word, try and copy 2 or 3 letters at a time. There's Thursday. And you space your work, you write 28, and 28 must fill your line. 28 January, you space again there. 28 in January, make sure that you space. January must start with a capital J, capital letter, 28 January, and the year is 2021. And those letters, they must also fill the line. Very soon, we'll be using our books for maths, and we're going to practice writing those numbers in their boxes, each number in a box, right? But for now, let's make sure that those numbers, they fill the line. And our heading says numbers, just like yesterday's lesson for maths, it was numbers. So you skip a line and you write the word numbers. Okay. Let's write the word numbers. Right, if you are done, you raise your hand quickly so that we can start talking and discussing. Then we'll come back to our books once more. Right, thank you, Pearl. She's already done. Right, you take down that word and it says numbers. Finish up. Praise, you must be talking to us this side. I don't know who you're talking to. Try and talk to us this side. I hope you've written that heading and it says numbers. Right, yesterday we talked about numbers and we're writing our numbers. Which number were we starting with yesterday, Pearl, if you still remember? Right, thank you, Prosperity, very good, well done. Which number were we starting with yesterday? I gave you a couple of numbers. There were 2, 3, or 4, and you were supposed to write those numbers. You were starting with what kind of a number? Which number were you starting with? Prosperity, which number were you starting with? Was it
1?
Was it the smallest? Which number was it? Hell, pray.
2.
You were starting with the smallest number. You were arranging those numbers according to the smallest. You're starting with the smallest, the next smallest, until you got to the last one, all right? But today, we're not going to start with the smallest number, but we're going to start with the biggest number. I'm going to give you numbers, and you look at those numbers, you read those numbers, and you find the biggest number that I would have given you, then the next biggest, until you get to the last one, all right? Right. Look at the sum that I've got here. I've got my numbers. The first ones, which are just written without any order, they've been written in random there. I've got 13, I've got 10, I've got 19, and I've got 21. And we want to start with the biggest number. Which one is the biggest number there? From those ones which I read for you, 13, 10, 19, and 21. Which is the biggest number? Prosperity?
10.
Are you sure 10 is the biggest number there? Look, I've got 18, I've got 10, I've got 19, I've got 21. Which one is the biggest number?
21.
Yes, very good. 21 is the biggest number. If I give you 21 oranges, it means you have got a lot of oranges. You count from 1 up to 21 there. Then the next biggest number is which one? Praise. Here it is. I've written it for you. What number is that? Praise.
19.
Yes, very good. This is number 19. Followed by which number?
13.
18. Then prosperity, the last number. What number is this one? Prosperity?
10.
Right.
10.
The last number there is 10. So we are writing our numbers. We are starting with the biggest number. Remember, we said each number, it represents things there. So it means here maybe you can have 13 oranges, 10 oranges, 19 oranges, and 21 oranges. So we want to write the number that has got the biggest oranges there. That will be 21. So Praise has got 21 oranges. She has got a lot of them, followed by this number here, 19. Maybe it's Pearl who has got 19. Prosperity has got 13. Mrs. Khabo only has got 10. So the biggest number there is 21. All right. Is that okay? Are you okay there? Right. I want us to go to our books quickly. We're going to practice a lot of writing and you must try and be fast. All right, I'm going to give you numbers here. You're not going to write these numbers which I've given you in this order. They're just written in random order anyhow. We don't know which is the biggest, which is the smallest one. But you, when you are writing, now you write them in order, starting with the biggest number. All right, these ones are not correct. It's Mrs. Khabo who was trying to write here, but these numbers are not correct. So you, being clever as you are going to write these numbers correctly, starting with the biggest one. Can I have this number? Praise, what number is that one? Quickly. Praise, talk, please. What number is this one? Mel, what number is this?
3.
Followed by?
7.
Followed by?
4.
Then the last number?
9.
Right. So I want you to write these numbers in order, starting with the biggest number. All right. Let's write the biggest number and make sure that you space your work. You put your finger after writing. You write your number this side. Then you put your finger, you space your work, you write the next number, you space your work, write the next number, and you space your work. Nisha, you are most welcome. We lost you. We've been looking for you, but we can't see you properly. Nyasha, can they help you with your device? Right, Prosperity, I hope you are done. So this is your number one. You write number one outside of the red line. Have you done that? Prosperity, I can see Pearl is writing. You are not writing prosperity. Praise, let us start writing quickly. Praise, can you start with the biggest number? We have got 3, 7, 4, and 9. Nyasha, you are joining us and you are having a big yawn there. Can you start writing, Nyasha? We've already started our lesson and we said today we're having a maths lesson and we're looking at numbers and we are writing our numbers starting with the biggest number. I hope you are listening, Nyasha. Right, thank you there, Praise. Pearl, sorry, we are done. Praise, you are not writing, you are just looking at the teacher. Please, can you write? Our lesson is not very long, only 30 minutes and we'll be done. So you should be done as well. So you must write. When I say write, make sure that you are also writing. Prosperity, you are done. All right, thank you. You are going to show me your sums when we are done, all of them. All right. So Nyasha, we are starting with the biggest number. Praise, are you done? Praise, are you done? We are not talking, Praise. I want you to talk so that I can help you, so that I can assist you. Are you done? I am waiting for you. Nyasha, Mommy for Nyasha, please, can you assist with that device? I cannot see Nyasha. Please, can you assist parents? Let us be ready at 11 o'clock with our devices so that you are not fixing them now. Right. Let's go on. Let's go to number 2, Pearl and Prosperity. I can see that you are ready. Pearl, Praise, I hope you're ready as well. So that is number 2. You write number 2 outside of the red line. And here are our numbers. I want someone to count the numbers for us. Prosperity. What number is this one?
11.
Very good. Next one, Prosperity.
15.
All of them, Prosperity.
8.
And the last number,
6.
last number there, it's number 6. So once more, I hope you have skipped a line there, Pearl. Make sure that you have written number 2. Then start with the biggest number. You have got 11, you have got 15, you have got 8, you have got 6. So which is the biggest number there? 11 eggs, 15 eggs, 8 eggs, and 6 eggs. Which is the largest number there? Let's start with that one. And make sure that you space. Remember, these are 2 numbers. You read them, both of them. After writing both of them, you space with your finger. 11 space, 15 space, 8 space, and the last number there. All right, so let's write them in order, starting with the biggest number there. Are we done, Prosperity? I'm waiting for you. Are you done, Prosperity?
Yes.
Can I see what you have done there, Prosperity? Let me see. I'm coming to you, Pearl, next. You should be ready with your book as well there, Pearl. Right. Thank you. Pearl, can I see what you have done there? Right. Thank you, Prosperity. Praise. Are you managing there? Are you okay there, Praise? Right. Thank you, Pearl. I can see. It's okay, Pearl. Thank you. Praise, can I see what you are doing there? Comments for Praise. Right. You can put your book down, Praise. Right. Put the book down, Praise. Right, thank you. Right, let's go on to the next one. Are you drawing there, Pearl? What are you doing? You seem to be drawing there. Right, number 3. Let's write number 3. And I want someone to read the numbers first before we start writing. Praise, it's now your turn. Praise, can you look at the numbers this side? What number is this one, Praise? Praise, what number is this? Can you see it, Praise? Nyasha, what number is this? Nyasha? Pearl, can you help us? What number is this one? Pearl, can you help us? What number is this? It's 14. Right. And the next one, what number is it? Pearl, what number is this one? Right, 20. Prosperity, what number is this one?
8.
Right. And this one, the last one, Prosperity?
5.
5. So let's again once more. This is number 3. You write your 3 outside of the red line. And let's arrange these numbers. Let's start with the biggest number. Which number is the biggest there? We've got 14, we've got 20, we've got 8, and we've got 5. Let's write the biggest number there. Praise. Let's write praise. Can you find the biggest number there? And remember to space your work as you are writing. Nyasha, are you writing there? You seem to be very relaxed. You are relaxing. Nyasha. Right. You are done, Pearl. We are going to give the answer for this one. All right, Praise, you can put your book down. Prosperity, are you done? What's going on, Prosperity?
I'm done.
We are done. All right. So which was the biggest number there? Which number did you write first? Prosperity, what was your biggest number?
Wait.
Right, number 20, followed by which number, Pearl? Pearl, we seem to be frozen, network challenge. Right, I can see there, Nyasha, I can see your work, yes, that's correct. Right, Pearl, we said 20 is the biggest number, followed by which one? Prosperity?
Wait.
Right, we have written 20, what is the next biggest number?
14.
Good, 14 is the next one, followed by which number?
20.
Followed by 8. We have already written 20. 20 is the biggest number there, followed by 14. I've got 14 eggs, all right? Then the next number will be 8 and 5, all right? Right, right. Last sum for today, that is our number 4, all right? Here are our numbers, they're getting bigger and bigger, all right? There are our numbers. I've got 10. Praise, I hope you can see that's number 10, number 25, number 9, and number 17. So I've got 10, I've got 25, I've got 9, and I've got 17. Which is the biggest number there? Who has got the most sweets? Right, let's quickly write it down, Prosperity. Let's write it down, Pearl. We only have got a few minutes. Let's write it down, Pearl. I hope you can hear me. You're just sitting there, Pearl. Right now, outside of your red line. Nyasha, I can't see you when we are writing. So you write the biggest number, start with the biggest number, Praise. Let's start with the biggest number there. I've got number 10, I've got number 25, I've got 9, and I've got 17, which is the biggest number there. Right, let's quickly finish up. Raise your hand if you are done. Pearl, are you done? You are still writing, Pearl. Right, Praise. I can see what is going on there. Right, thank you, Praise. I'll have to get back to you in your inbox. Praise, I'm going to talk to you later in your inbox, all right? So that we can correct a few things there. Prosperity, can I see what you have done? Let me see the handwriting. Let me see your presentation there. Let's see how we are getting on. Right, very good, Pearl. I can see your book from where it is, right? Thank you. All right. So what was the biggest number there? Pearl, which number did you write first?
25.
Right, you wrote 25. Very good. Followed by which number?
17.
Pearl, did you also write number 17?
Yes.
Very good. Followed by which number? Praise, which number did you write next? 25, 17. Then what was the next biggest number? Pearl, Prosperity, what
10.
number 10, isn't it?
10.
Very good. And the last number that you wrote was which one?
9.
Wrote number 9. Pearl, I also hope you wrote number 9. Yasha, unfortunately, I think you're having network challenges. You're in and you're out. I don't know whether you've managed to understand our lesson for today. All right. So I'm going to meet you later in Google Classroom. Please, can you all send in your work? Nyasha, I have not received your work. Please, can you post your work as well? Praise, please. Can you please send in your work? I want everything. All right. Yes, pile up the work, it will end up being too much. So we meet again tomorrow morning at 9:30. Bye-bye. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
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 Bye.